Welcome to Digital Marketing with Google Adwords Express course. Are you ready to create your first PPC advertising campaign without any experience? Then this course is for you. My name is Yasser Ahmed and I will lead you through the course. Here you master digital marketing with one of the Google's advertising service called Adwords Express. You will learn digital marketing fundamentals, smart SEO techniques, and getting traffic to websites, calls from customers, and visits directly to your physical business. By the end, you will be running marketing campaign in just 7 minutes from scratch like a pro. This course is perfect for one-person marketing team. All your ads will be automatically optimized to reach your business goal so that you spend less time on advertising and more time with your customers. There are no requirements for this course, but you come open-minded and ready to learn. And I look forward to see you inside.